Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox client has stopped working after Byfron update. So, are you looking for a quick guide how to fix your Roblox if the client keeps on crashing after the update? Well, stay tuned because this one's for you. So, it's very easy to remedy this because it's already been remedied. So, if you go to any forum that says Roblox client completely stops after Byfron, and a lot of people, especially specifically in dev forum.roblox.com, a lot of people are saying, it doesn't work. Like it keeps on crashing. Some people even say like, oh, you need to like uninstall, reinstall your OS. You don't need to do that because it's already been fixed by Roblox. You don't need to do anything. If you still keep on crashing, reach out to them. Reach out to customer support and they're gonna help you sort it out. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that the like, and we'll see you on the next one.